We got a delivery. That's why I'm doing mukbang. It's a shellfish.
What kind of shellfish?
Prawns. They will see it later. God, very quick. I've ordered that yesterday.
That's the darling, because it's perishable, isn't it?
Yeah, I've ordered that yesterday and arrived today. Very good. Wash your hands, please, with that antibacterial. In fairness, mga palangga ha, yung packaging niya, well packed talaga, oh. Yan. Matagal na akong naghahanap ng mga seafood. Pero, yun na nga, hesitant ako kasi gusto ko na makita yung mga seafood talaga in person. So, ito, first time kong orderin to sa website. So, this is like a gumbo. So, hopefully, fresh yung shellfish. Matagal ko na kasing gustong mag-mukbang, yung seafood mukbang. Boiled seafood mukbang. I-open natin ha, para makita nyo. Lahat ito, yung in-order ko is raw. So, kailangan nating lutuin. Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Can't see all. You bought lobster.
Yan. That's a big prawns. How many? I did not order this a lot.
What did you order?
Prawns? I thought I've ordered just 2 prawns. Not 2-pack. Oh.
That's
A crab.
That's king crab, is it?
Yeah.
Is it king crab?
Yeah. A king crab legs. Where am I gonna put this? Ito siya. Raw to siya na shrimp. This is a natural red shrimp. Sabi dito. It's a wild-caught Argentina something. Yeah. Wild king prawn tails. That's a lot. No, I didn't know.
What's this? Ice?
Ice, dried ice probably. And look at this. Lobster tail.
Rock lobster tails.
2.
They're not our lobsters. They're different. You've got so many prawns.
This is it.
What's that?
It's a king
Crab.
prime section.
Raw.
I did not order this. I ordered only 2. Wow.
Check how much you paid.
I'm just so amazed the size of the lobster.
You better get me to freezer.
Yeah. So,
These days, I didn't look how big these things are.
do you want to do mukbang with me?
No. I only like prawn and that.
Right.
Well, that's not our lobster. Where's it from? That's not British lobster.
Rock lobster tails.
Yeah, from where?
I don't know. I really don't know where they came from.
Can't be beside them.
So obviously I cannot cook this straight away because they are still frozen.
Yeah.
And it says here for the frosting time is 12 to 24 hours. So we'll do the mukbang tomorrow and decide. Yeah, decide which one we're gonna eat. Mostly the prawns. We cannot use this all because I have 4 packs of prawns here. So, are you wanting prawns?
I'll eat prawns. I don't mind eating prawns. They're cooked.
No, they're not cooked, sweetheart. No. They're not cooked. They quite clearly says on their website that these prawns are naturally red. I I am certain with that. Because if they are cooked, this will be in a separate bag or box.
Not frozen.
They are naturally red. I'll insert the description here for these prawns. I will show you.
No, you probably won't.
Because they quite clearly said cooked food and raw food will be in a separate box. This is just an arm. Yeah.
You need to get me a freezer, darling, because...
no, I want to defrost some of this.
Well, yeah, do a bag of that.
A bag of this.
Could you...
And I'll do just one of this.
Yeah, that's all I would do because you have a lot to eat here. You don't do one of them as well.
And one of these.
Darling, that's an awful lot to eat.
That's why it's called mukbang.
No, I know, but I don't want you to waste it.
I know. Right. I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna defrost. But you're eating with me.
Well, I'll eat prawns. I might eat some of this, but I don't think I'll be eating that.
It's alright. I'll just defrost one arms. So shall we get one of this? Shall we take this out? One of this. Yeah? And a bag of this. And one leg of... No, that's not. This is not a leg. An arms.
The pincher.
Is it a claw? Do you call it a claw?
Claw.
Yeah.
The claw.
They look fresh though.
You sure that I've not made a mistake with that one?
Oh my god.
You don't want them again?
No, I think the prawns is I did misunderstand it. I really thought I've ordered 2 prawns. As in 2 pieces of prawn.
2 packs.
No, 2. I really think it is 2 pieces of prawns, big prawns. I don't know.
Put it in the freezer.
Ilalagay ko muna to sa freezer. So, I'm not sure mga palangga kung nabanggit ko ba yung website na kung saan ko sila in-order. So, yung website is called thefishsociety.co.uk. So, yun yung website. And so far naman, happy ako sa in-order ko so far. And na-shock lang talaga ako sa prawns. Akala ko 2 pieces lang talaga kasi dito, sabi dito, Wild King prawn tails. Well, never mind. At least I have a lot of prawns now. Yung ice pala na ginamit nila is dry ice. Kaya dito sa box, nakapack sila at sabi na caution, do not touch or do not handle. So, scary. So anyway, saan ko na to ilalagay? I will let Mr. get rid of this. So, yeah. Maghihintay na lang tayo for 24 hours and magmumukbang tayo. Ang laki talaga nito ay I cannot get over. Kita ko sa inyo ha. I-open ko siya. Ang laki. Magkasing laki siya sila sa aking arms. Nakikita niyo ba yung arms ko? Pero mas malaki pa siguro siya sa forearm ko. Good morning! It's another day mga palangga. So ngayon, nakalipas na yung 24 hours and defrosted na yung ating crab. Yung arms ng crab. Prawns and yung lobster natin. So, yung crab at lobster, siya lang yung pakukuluan ko. Yung garlic, hindi ko siya papakuluan actually. Gagawa ako ng garlic buttered shrimp. Kasi yun yung gusto ni Mr. A. So, itong dalawa, papakuluan ko. And then, at the moment, nagluluto ako ng rice because rice is light, diba? Masarap to pag may kanin. So, hugasan ko lang sila. Uunahin ko muna to actually. Itong dalawa. Kasi first time kong mag-seafood boil. So, ewan ko lang kung ano yung isasahog ko dito. Pero, let's see na lang. Ito yung gagamitin ko na pan. Yan. Ito yung pinakamalaki naming pot. Actually, pwede naman siguro yung second to the biggest natin. Tingnan natin, ha? Yeah, pwede naman. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. So, tubig. So, ito na yung tubig. So, lalagyan natin siya ng lemon. Yan. Sibuyas. At garlic. And of course, lalagyan din natin siya ng asin. Yan. So, hihintayin lang natin siyang kumulo. Then, ilagay natin yung ating crab and yung lobster. Don't ask me kung yan yung nilagay ko. Hindi ko din alam, to be fair. Mag-i-experiment tayo. Huhugasan natin thoroughly yung ating lobster and crabs kasi hindi natin alam kung saan sila nanggaling. So, ngayon naman, mag-move on tayo sa ating shrimp. Kasi hindi ako sure kung kinuna na ba siya ng vein. Hindi ako sure mga palangga. Kukuha ako ng gunting just to see. I think lang ha. Hindi ako sure. But yeah, kinuna na sila ng vein. Pero, i-make sure ko lang, ikakat ko sila dito. Titingnan natin. Good job mga palangga. Yes, kinuna na sila ng vein, pero may natitira pa oh. Kunti lang, hindi yung whole vein nila. So, yan. Good job. Na-chinik natin. Kukuha muna ako ng plato ha. Yung ating water, kumukulo na. So, ngayon, ito, lalagyan ko siya ng vegetable cubes. Don't ask me why, pero trip ko lang, lagyan siya ng vegetable cube. 2 vegetable cube. Marami kasing tubig yung nilagay natin. Yan. Ano kaya magiging lasa nito? There you go. So, papakuluan natin ulit. Continue lang. So, ito rin, hindi pa rin ako tapos sa ating shrimp. In fairness naman sa ating shrimp, most of them is malinis na siya. Kailangan na talagang i-check kasi, yun na nga, may naiiwan talagang vein. Lalo na sa tail area nila. Malapit sa tail area nila. Ilalagay na natin yung ating crab. Crab muna yung iuna natin kasi alam niyo naman, ayaw nating ma-overcook yung ating lobster. Yan na. Bye-bye crab. So, while nagbo-boil diyan, mag-i-start naman tayo sa ating shrimp. So, yung shrimp, diba, garlic buttered shrimp yung gagawin natin. So, ito yung garlic, butter. This is combination of unsalted and salted butter. So, yan. Pamimelt lang natin. Mukhang ang daming butter dyan, ha? Never mind. Kailangan ko kasing gamitin yung ating salted butter. Hihinaan lang natin yung apoy nito. Yan. Gutom na gutom na gutom na ako. Ilalagay na natin yung ating garlic. Counting garlic lang yung nilagay ko kasi ayaw ko naman na mag-garlic breath tayo kasi meron pa akong trabaho tomorrow. Bango, ha? Ilalagay na natin yung ating shrimp. Yan. Lalagyan natin ng kaunting asin. Ilalagay na rin natin yung ating lobster. Yan. Sumama ka na kay. There you go. So, yung shrimp mga palangga, lalagyan natin ng parsley. Wala akong fresh na parsley. Ito lang yung meron tayo, yung dried. So, pwede na yan. Sprinkle lang. And, mag-i-squeeze tayo ng lemon. Ito. So, ito na. Magsisimula na tayo sa ating kainan. So, meron akong orange juice dito, water, paper towel. At nakita niyo naman, meron tayong shrimp. Ito. At meron tayong rice. Iinom muna ako ng tubig bago tayo magsimula. Kasi, para hindi maparami yung kain ko. For your information lang ha, kung nagtataka kayo, kung ako lang yung mag-isang kumakain, si Mr. niyaya ko siya, gusto mo bang magmukbang? Kasi kung gusto mo, lulutuin ko na lang siya for tea tonight. Pero ayaw niya, busy daw siya, at isa pa, hindi siya fan sa mga seafood. He will try the shrimp, and a bit of this, and a bit of this.
A little bit of this and a little bit of that.
You need to try. Can I have the scissors, please?
Scissors for what?
This one.
I was going to say, you're not cut that with scissors.
No, this one.
You need a hammer. Is it? God,
Careful,
man.
sweetheart.
Monsters, aren't they?
Yeah, monsters.
You've got the scissors in your special room.
No,
Well, where are they?
it's in there.
Oh. You've got that screw.
You need to try the shrimp.
So the shrimp's good. But they're the real McCoy.
Well, I find
The
them
shrimp, aren't
tasty. Yeah, I find them tasty.
What are you doing? Bits on there.
Do you like more?
Not now, darling. Not my lunchtime.
Not now.
Um,
Sinali ko na lang yung video natin sa pagluluto ng seafood kasi I cannot survive with this kasi hindi naman talaga ako madaldal, and isa pa, wala tayong topic ngayon. So kung may mga part ng silence, it means nag-i-enjoy talaga ako sa kinakain ko. I cannot wait to try this. Kawawa yung scissor natin. Wala na ko. Luto ba siya? Unsure talaga ako dito kasi hindi ako sure kung luto ba siya or hindi. At ayaw ko naman siyang ma-overcook. Ang hirap pala nito eh. Oh my goodness. Look at this baby. Ang laki niya. Hala mga palangga. Tingnan niyo yan. Right. Titikman natin. Ang sarap niya. This is not my first time to try a lobster, to eat a lobster. Pero ito yung first time ko na ako yung nagluto, ako yung nag-prepare. So, parang nakaka-proud ba? So, ito, ititira ko to para kay Mr. Ito-try natin yung crab. Pero, ano yung pang-open natin dito? Let's see. Meron ako idea. Garlic crusher. Let's see kung mag-work ba siya. Oh my goodness. Ang laki kasi nito eh. Struggle. Struggle is real. Try nga natin kuntingin. Naawa talaga ako sa kunting. What a mess. Ang sarap. Nagdidikit-dikit talaga siya sa shell. Ano kaya ang dahilan? Na-overcook ko ba siya kaya nagkaganito? Yung iba kasi nung nakikita ko pag nagmumukbang sila, isang twist lang nila sa crab, nahihila lahat yung crab meat. Sige, tingnan nyo, nag-i-stick siya. Masarap yung crab meat ha. Sobrang tasty niya. Sana, ito, pag krinak natin siya, sana mahila lahat yung meat. Hindi siya magdikit-dikit. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Pagpasensyahan nyo na talaga yung mga ingay. First time ko makahandle ng ganito kalaking crab. Ano, dikit-dikit talaga siya. You see? Hala, uy, bakit ganito? Did I did something wrong? Feeling ko lang talaga kung bakit nagkaganito siya, na nagdikit-dikit. Feeling ko na overcook ko siya. Tama lang talaga na yung seafood na in-order ko, hindi ko sila niluto lahat kasi I'm getting full na. Na-disappoint lang talaga ako. Kasi nagdikit-dikit siya. Pero masarap. So anyway mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Or should I say mukbang. So maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta at sa panonood. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Bye! He's trying. Come on, you need to try. I'm just a bit disappointed because the crab meat is sticking to the shell. It's good, isn't it?
Very salty, isn't it?
Is it? You need to try the lobster.
But you got the shell off there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright. Sort of.
When sort of.
Sort of.
I left you all this.
Oh, that can't be thought.
Yeah, but you need to eat some of the...
What I need to do.
I know. I will. I will clean it. So hihimayin ko yung ating prawn.
Yeah, I'll take the tray this afternoon. Get rid of that.
Sabi ni Mr. he likes the prawn, but he's not very keen sa lobster as usual.
Oh, I just did rubbery, that's all. Where's the big knife?
The big knife
Is
is
it
in the
bigger?
dishwasher.
I've always liked prawn.
Yung crab natin, sabi niya sobrang salty daw.
That crab claw's alright.
You need to eat the rest of it, sweetheart. Don't.
This bit's alright.
But you need to scrape them because they're sticking.
That is very sweet, isn't it?
That's a crab leg.
Do that meat, I don't mind.
Yeah? He's enjoying it.
Right, here we are doing mukbang. So this is what we do. We get a doofer, check the drops off, and then we go. Is that, oh no, I'll put it all over my sandwich now. The fair prawns, them, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'll have dog breath later, garlic. Look, she's left a hard piece on its tail. Sack. I'm eating garlic prawns. These would make a good prawn cocktail, wouldn't they? So these are Argentinian prawns. Why are you filming me so much?
Why I'm filming you?
You got
You
me.
ate all of those.
Well, I'm not supposed to.
I'm just shocked.
I thought that was all part of the course.
Right.
Started, now having me main.
Okay.
You can have the tail.
No, give it to the dog.
They're allergic to lobster.
No, they're not. Give it to the dog. Give them half. Half of it.